Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Monday morning, the beginning of a work week for most of you. You know me, I work every day. So the weekend was beautiful. Saturday night's dinner got postponed to Sunday's lunch. We were the culinary expedition was in Namibia, where I would attempt this word. Um, Breboji, which actually, it's really funny. It's actually a South African grilled cheese sandwich. White bread, mango chutney, sharp cheddar cheese slice, tomatoes, caramelized onions, a little bit of mayo. You could use butter, and another, then you grill it. Oh, it's really good, repeatable. Robin and I both agreed the combination of all these wonderful ingredients made for a wonderful sandwich. And then for dinner, we did chili dogs. We had chili left over from last week, so we had chili dogs. Oh, that chili stood up for the whole week. It was fantastic. Tonight, well, a lot of food to talk about, but that's fun. Love talking about food. Tonight, I'm doing a Korean style venison stir fry. Yeah, that's right, you heard me. Venison. This is going to be really good. This is one of my concoctions. So, yeah, the weather's supposed to be absolutely beautiful today and the next few days, according to Mr. Bob Harlan's weather report. So, get out there, enjoy it, clean up the yard, do what you got to do, wash your car. I know my Betty, my BMW, could really use a bath. We'll see. We'll see how adventurous I get. So, on this Monday, oh, wait, the Four Butters tutorial is up and running. Take a peek. There's a special little segment about ghee. I made sure I included ghee in this butter tutorial, so check it out. All right. So on this Monday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.